In this video, I'm going to show you how to write blog posts using ChatGPT based on a YouTube video, step by step, so you can turn any video transcript into a clean, readable blog post in just a few minutes. This is a super useful workflow if you want to repurpose video content into articles, save time on writing, or create SEO-friendly blog posts from content that already exists. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and content creation guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube in your browser. You can do this from any device, but a desktop or laptop is usually easier because it makes copying the transcript much simpler. Once YouTube loads, search for the video you want to turn into a blog post. Open the video and let it load completely. Next, scroll down below the video. Depending on the layout, you may need to click on the title area, the description section, or the three dots to reveal more options. Look for the Show Transcript option and click it. This will open the full transcript of the video, usually on the right side of the screen or below the video, depending on your device and browser window size. Now scroll through the transcript and make sure it has loaded fully. Sometimes transcripts are split into sections, so you want to be sure you have the complete text before copying. Highlight the full transcript, then copy it. You can use right-click and copy, or simply use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. After that, go to ChatGPT in a new tab. Once ChatGPT is open, start a new chat if needed and paste the full transcript into the message box. Then type your prompt clearly. You can say, convert this video transcript into a blog post with headings and examples. This is the key step because it tells ChatGPT exactly what you want. It asks for a blog post format, includes headings for structure, and examples to make the article more useful and engaging. If you want even better results, you can also add details like the tone you want, the target audience, or the length of the blog post. For example, you could ask for a friendly tone, an SEO-focused format, or a beginner-friendly explanation. Once your prompt is ready, send it to ChatGPT and let it generate the blog post. After the response appears, review the content carefully. Make sure the headings make sense, the examples are relevant, and the article matches the original video. You can then edit the blog post to add your own voice, improve the introduction, or include keywords if you want to publish it on your website. This workflow is incredibly powerful because it turns one YouTube video into written content much faster than starting from scratch. It can help bloggers, marketers, creators, and businesses repurpose content efficiently and stay consistent with publishing. And if you want to improve the output even more, try asking ChatGPT to make it more conversational, more detailed, or optimized for SEO. You can also request an intro, conclusion, FAQ section, or bullet points if that suits your blog style better. So to recap, open YouTube, open the video, scroll down and click Show Transcript, copy the full transcript, go to ChatGPT, paste it, and type convert this video transcript into a blog post with headings and examples. That's the fastest way to transform a video into a structured blog article. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.